PlayStation 3 game CDs. You need all of what I have right here, guys. So this is in YouTube, guys. You're not loading my PlayStation 3, nothing at all. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up right now, guys. So first you need to set to the hand. My brother's on here, so I have to put the camera set to the hand, guys. Rub it all around it, guys. Rub it, rub it. Don't make it touch the edges. You know what, guys? Just rub it all around it, guys. Don't touch the front part of it. Rub it all around it, guys. Like that. Like so, guys. Yeah, I like this, guys. You can rub it, guys, like that, guys. Rub it. You're gonna get the teeth brush, guys. It's a bit here, you're gonna wipe the abs, guys, like this, guys. All the way, all you want to wipe it, guys. All you want to wipe it, guys, you're gonna wipe it like this, guys. Anyway you want to wipe it, guys, when you wipe it like that, you're gonna turn on the pipe. So guys, so right now, guys, so you're gonna turn on your pipe sink or anything, guys. You're gonna turn on the sink, guys. You're gonna put video on it, guys, like this, guys. You see it, get it with, guys. Put the heat, guys. Let it turn on it, guys. Let it turn on it, guys. Just cracking it, guys. Let it turn on it, guys. Turn it over, guys. Turn it, guys. Turn up the back, guys. So you can see, guys, all Chris CD, guys. I can see my left minute, guys. See the videos, guys. So please subscribe, like, share, comment, hit that notification bell to get new video all the time in the post, guys. So you clean it, guys. So